कुछ होते हैं हुआ नोन फॉर फाइनेंसेस, ठीक है। अगर आपको इतनी भी क्लैरिटी है तो और अच्छी बात हो गई, ठीक है। देन गो देयर एंड आउट परफॉर्म, तो फिर उसके बाद ना इतना फ़र्क नहीं रहता मार्केट में आने के बाद, ठीक है, इफ़ यू कैन आउट परफॉर्म। बट अगर आजकल मैं देख रहा हूँ दिस अ ट्रेंड की ना, आई एम सो सॉरी आई एम सेइंग दिस थिंग राइट नाउ ओवर हियर, डोंट कर्स मी फॉर दैट एमबीए इज बिकमिंग द नेक्स्ट बीटेक दीज डेज।
So as you can see, Shubham is doing his job pretty well over here. I can see him sporting the Beardo t-shirt. And if you like my hair today, credits to Beardo Hair Wax. No paid promotion, but that's how it is. And over to you guys. So Shubham, would you want you to introduce yourself to our audience and tell us who you are?
So thank you very much for introducing me. So yeah, over here also I think that if I'm going for an event for Inside IIM and maybe 50, 100 odd people will see me, then definitely they should know I work for Beardo and I can promote that brand. So like whether it's with time, without time, okay, I'm always in the show of promoting my brand. Apart from that, managing brand, people usually think that a brand manager usually look after, how its brand will be positioned, how people will see it. But there are a lot of things, that goes around within the brand. So yeah, we'll deep dive into that also, how I have pursued MBA and how I've landed over here. That's it.
If for you guys, Shubham has been doing pretty different things all his life. Just to set context, he was freelancing since school. So he has a lot of insights. We'll deep dive on that experience as well, and we'll see what you have to talk about. And over to you, Himanshu. Would you want to introduce yourself to the audience?
Guys, I just want to tell you that Tata Technologies, I've been working with that as business analyst, and it's a wonderful experience for me because we actually deals with real life problems. You feel that I have a project of Tata Motors, so you actually feel that a car selling process is just from a person entering into a dealership and sale being made. It's not just that. It's from opti, sales stage, post sales, everything is covered in that. And we at every point as a business analyst have to analyze and report and improve the processes of data and how we can sell in a much better way. So that's something which I'm doing right now, and I'm really happy I'm working with Tata Technologies.
Right. So for starters, यार BML में senior और junior का relation कैसा है? Is it healthy?
Yeah, it's very healthy. I'll say वहाँ पे ragging नहीं होती है, ठीक है? It's very support-based model. First of all, you will have n number of projects where you have to take help from your seniors only.
I would also like to add one thing. Ki in BML we have, apart from MBA, we have BTech and BB, all those courses. So MBA student can actually interact with all other students as well who's currently doing BTech, BBN, and they can do much better collaborative projects in their MBAs.
Guys, we'll deep dive into your experience and the academics later. But first, we want to know you. Shubham, as I mentioned to them that you were freelancing ever since you were in school, and you tried a startup as well, and your experience was very different compared to a traditional experience where you graduate, you work a little, and then you go for an MBA. Shubham actually tried a startup and then he later on decided that marketing is his calling and he wanted to pursue an MBA for the same. So Shubham, थोड़ा detail में ये experience बता दो, but because this is something very novel to you.
So when I started my freelancing, I won't say career, okay, because मुझे पता भी नहीं था उस time freelancing होता क्या है. I was like कि I'm having good fortune कि मेरे घर वालों ने मेरे को like पढ़ाया, ठीक है ना, मेरी बेसिक साइड नीड्स पूरी करी. बट फॉर माई लग्जरी आई वांट टू अर्न लिटिल मोर, ताकि मैं वो सब लग्जरी के लिए अपने फैमिली पर डिपेंडेंट ना रहूँ. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैं अफोर्ड कर सकता हूँ कोई भी चीज़ जो 2000 के वर्थ की है, तो अब मेरे को 4000 के वर्थ की चाहिए, तो मेरे को वो एक्स्ट्रा गैप बस फिल करना था. तो मैंने दोस्तों से पूछा कि हाउ आई कैन अर्न सम मनी. तो उन्होंने एग्जाम्पल स्टार्टिंग में उन्होंने मेरे को बोला कि यहाँ एक स्मॉल काम है, तो को क्या कहते हैं वीकेंड्स पे जाना होगा, ठीक है, और तो ये करके आ जाइए, पैसे मिल जाएंगे. मैंने कितने मिलेंगे? कह रहे हाँ भाई 1000-2000 मिल जाएंगे. अब आई वॉज एट दैट टाइम इन माई 8th स्टैंडर्ड, तो मैं 1000 रुपये बहुत थे भाई उस टाइम पे. तो मैं गया, उन्होंने बोला आपको पैम्पलेट्स बांटने होंगे, ठीक है. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कोई काम छोटा है बड़ा होता है, ठीक है, मैं ये भी नहीं बोल रहा कि ये फ्रीलांसिंग की डेफिनेशन है मेरे लिए, ठीक है. पर ठीक है, मेरे को थोड़ा ऑड लगा. मैंने बोला नहीं यार, दिस समथिंग मोर विच आई कैन प्रोवाइड. तो उसके बाद नेटवर्किंग होती गई, वहाँ मैं और लोगों से मिला. आई वेंट देयर ओनली फॉर लाइक 10 मिनट्स, फुल डे जॉब थी. वहाँ से मैं आया. उसके बाद आई गॉट टू नो अबाउट मार्केट रिसर्च. तो मल्टीपल कंपनीज ओके इन्वेस्ट अ लॉट टू नो अबाउट कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर. तो लोग मार्केट रिसर्च करते हैं, बहुत पैसा फूकते हैं उस चीज़ के ऊपर टू अंडरस्टैंड द कंज्यूमर कि उनकी नीड्स क्या है, उनकी वांट्स क्या है, एंड हाउ वी कैन रेजोनेट विद देम. तो उसमें मेरे को क्या था, उस टाइम बेसिक फंडा ये था कि 1 घंटे के लिए जाना है, ठीक है, पैसे मिलेंगे, एसी मिलेगा, खाना मिलेगा, ठीक है, कुछ नहीं करना है, मज़े करके आ जाओ. सो व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड वर्क, मैं अपने पहले मार्केट रिसर्च के लिए गया. आई गॉट रिजेक्टेड कि नहीं यार, यू आर नॉट फॉलोइंग इन द क्राइटेरिया, कि इनको इस तरीके की प्रोफाइलिंग चाहिए, आप फॉलो नहीं करते हो, ठीक है, आप वापस चले जाओ. तो आई टुक इट एज चैलेंज कि भाई ऐसा क्या है कि मैं ये नहीं कर सकता, ठीक है, या तो गिव मी अ प्रॉपर रीजनिंग कि आपने मेरे को बुलाया था एंड यू आर नाउ रिजेक्टिंग मी ऑन सर्टेन बेसिस. ऐसे मैं वापस तो नहीं जाऊँगा. फिर दोबारा मैंने उनको रीच आउट किया, उन्होंने मेरे को दोबारा बुलाया. देन आई वॉज इन माई 8th स्टैंडर्ड एट द टाइम. आई वर्क फॉर n नंबर ऑफ कंपनीज. आई से इट्स लाइक मोर देन 100 कंपनीज, इनकी मैंने मार्केट रिसर्च करी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई टेल यू, जब हीरो माइस्ट्रो लॉन्च हुई थी, उस टाइम पे उनका एक डिजिटल फ्यूल इंजेक्टर करके एक मॉडल था, ठीक है. तो दे वर जस्ट डिसाइडिंग द नेम एंड द थीम ऑफ द एंटायर माइस्ट्रो स्कूटी कि हम लोग क्या थीम रखें, बिकॉज व्हेन इट कम्स टू हीरो ओके दे बेसिकली एसोसिएट देमसेल्फ विद रेड कलर, लाइक रेड इज समथिंग पावर, स्पीड, रेस. बट माइस्ट्रो के साथ सीन थोड़ा सा अलग था कि हाउ वी कैन डिफ्रेंशिएट वेयर एक्टिवा इज लाइक द लीडर इन द मार्केट. तो वो इतनी छोटी छोटी डिटेल्स पे वर्क कर रहे थे कि नाम की. तो आई प्रपोज द नेम, वी कैन कॉल इट हीरो माइस्ट्रो डिजीफाई. डिजी मीन्स डिजिटल, F5 विच इज अ फ्यूल इंजेक्टेड टेक्नोलॉजी. तो डिजीफाई आ जाएगा. कलर क्या होनी चाहिए, ब्लू कलर होना चाहिए. उस टाइम मेरे को बिल्कुल नॉलेज नहीं थी. तो वहाँ से द इंक्लिनेशन टुवर्ड्स मार्केटिंग स्टार्टेड फॉर मी. तो वहाँ से था कि हाँ कुछ तो है मार्केटिंग थी, कुछ तो इंटरेस्टिंग लोग करते हैं, कुछ तो डिफरेंट लोग करते हैं. मैं उस बच्चे की बात कर रहा हूँ जिसको सिर्फ ये पता था कि कुछ ऐड आते हैं टीवी पे, ठीक है, और शायद से वही मार्केटिंग है. दैट्स इट.
तो ये सब आपने 8th स्टैंडर्ड में ये सोचा और किया?
ये मैंने 8th स्टैंडर्ड से मैं शुरू किया. अभी भी मैं कभी, सो आई एम बेसिकली फ्रॉम दिल्ली, मैं उस साइड कभी जाता हूँ, दिल्ली साइड, तो मैं ऐसी फ़न के लिए, मज़े के लिए अभी भी वो काम करता हूँ.
सो ये आपने कैसे मेंटेन किया? हाउ डिड यू स्टिल कीप दैट क्यूरियोसिटी एंड द फन एलिमेंट अलाइव इन यू since 8th standard and till date?
See, I'll say the basic thing or the main thing, okay, in any kind of marketing role is to understand your consumer. अगर आप अपने कंज्यूमर को जानते ही नहीं है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॉर मी, फॉर द ब्रांड बियर्डो, माई TG इज़ मेजरली फ्रॉम 18 to 24 years old, ठीक है. अब विद टाइम आई गेट ओल्ड, ओके, तो मैं उनकी सोच, ठीक है, जो उनके एस्पिरेंट्स, उनके नीड्स हैं, मैं वो समझ नहीं पाऊंगा, ठीक है. तो मेरे को था कि अगर इफ़ आई बी विद देम, ओके, इफ आई गो एंड सिट विद देम, ओके, आई अंडरस्टैंड हाउ दे आर कमिंग अप टू दैट पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन, तो फिर वो मेरे लिए भी काफ़ी ईजी होगा. तो वो करते करते हो गया बस.
So, Shubham, you seem like a very prime example of doing what you love. And a lot of people, I am sure, are still finding that calling. So, what would your advice be to somebody who is, who has still not found what they love? तो आप क्या एडवाइस दोगे उनको, ना आपने ये कैसे जाना खुद के बारे में?
उसके बाद टू स्ट्रेंथन माई माई ओपिनियन, माई इंक्लिनेशन टुवर्ड्स मार्केटिंग, मैंने अपना स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट किया. सो आई वॉज लाइक वेरी क्रिस्टल क्लियर कि मार्केटिंग में कुछ करना है, लेकिन क्या करना और करना भी है नहीं करना वो भी मेरे को डिसाइड करना था. तो मैंने स्टार्टअप किया, ठीक है. वहाँ पे आई अंडरस्टूड दैट आई डोंट वांट टू डिफाइन माई सेल्फ एज अ मार्केटर गोइंग अहेड, वेयरएज एवरीथिंग इज रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड बिजनेस. सो if I'll come over here, I'll say I'm a marketer. Okay, that's good. That's my present condition. But looking ahead, I want to look for a business because end में सबको business करना है, business को sustain करना है, profits कमाने हैं, ठीक है. तो वो मैंने clarity ली. Then I did a job also. तो just to strengthen my, my inclination. हाँ, so I'll say कि you should be very crystal clear about what kind of role or domain you want to go in. After that, about the industry as well. But if you're not crystal clear, then कोई गलत चीज़ नहीं है यार, है ना. You have n number of things to explore yourself. Go and do internships. आप internship करो, आपको लग रहा है कुछ value addition मिल रहा है तो करो, नहीं लग रहा तो छोड़ दो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. There is no hard and fast rule on you. But try to explore yourself, and the best thing is if you can convert your passion to your profession.
Right. So Shubham, one follow-up question I had in my mind कि आप जब you were doing what you love, right? Then how does this thought of doing an MBA happen, and how did you segue into it?
So people say like, and if your end goal is to become an entrepreneur, so you started your career with a startup, then फिर आप MBA में आए. तो ये तो मेरे को बहुत सुनने को मिला मेरे placement interviews में भी कि ऐसा क्यों करा. But it is a calling, okay. You see, and it's good to admit stuff कि मैं कहीं पे lack करता हूँ, ठीक है. मेरे को first time when I went for a meeting, उस टाइम पे आई वाज लाइक इन माई फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ ग्रेजुएशन व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड माई स्टार्टअप। तो वहाँ पर उन्होंने मेरे को बोला ठीक है जस्ट प्रिपेयर एन MOM फॉर मी। अब MOM तो बहुत बेसिक चीज़ हो गई आज के टाइम पे मेरे लिए, क्या टू प्रिपेयर मिनट्स ऑफ मीटिंग, बट मेरे को पता नहीं था होता क्या है। देन दे लाइक कि कैन यू गिव मी अ डिटेल ब्रीफ कॉस्टिंग, यू नो कि किस टाइम पे कितने रिसोर्स आपके एलोकेट होंगे, ठीक है, मेरे एक प्रोजेक्ट के लिए, और उसकी उनकी क्या सैलरीज होंगी, द वे IT's कंपनी फंक्शन दीज डेज कि। तो मुझे वो बिजनेस प्रपोजल वगैरह बनाने में बहुत डिफिकल्टीज होती थी। देन फिर मैंने देखा कि इफ़ आई हैव टू हायर समवन, सो हैड अ टीम ऑफ 6 पीपल एट द टाइम, और मैं किसी को हायर कर रहा हूँ तो मेरे पास इतनी कैपेबिलिटीज़ नहीं थी जो मैंने नोटिस करा उस टाइम पे कि इफ आई एम हायरिंग समवन हु इज़ हैविंग एन एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ 10 ईयर्स 12 ईयर्स, ठीक है, तो मैं क्या बैठ के उनको हायर करूँ, क्या बोल के उनको हायर करूँ। तो मैंने बस कुछ चीज़ को एडमिट किया, दैन आई थॉट दैट आई नीड टू गो इनटू द मार्केट एंड लर्न स्टफ। तो यही था बस।
That's very interesting. I'll double click on this later. First, let's talk to the very patient listener in our room, Himanshu. Your journey was again interesting because you started off as a fresher and you directly thought of doing an MBA after your graduation, right? Right. So, can you just tell me why did you take this decision in the first place?
ओके सो ईयर 2020 मेरे ग्रेजुएशन ख़त्म हो गई थी। आई ग्रेजुएटेड इन BTech इलेक्ट्रिकल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग, एंड आफ्टर डूइंग दैट माई फाइनल ईयर प्रोजेक्ट वॉज रिलेटेड टू EV. So in that, when I completed my project, and I remember we had lockdown and all that, so I was sitting at my home and I thought like, what next? Because I had a job offer, but it was way too far. I live in Gurgaon and I had to travel to Gujarat. So that was not possible for me at that point of time to travel and take up a job at that very point of time. So उस टाइम मैंने सोचा कि व्हाट नेक्स्ट, आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग, दिस EV एंड ऑल. सो आई थॉट लाइक लेट्स डू MBA, एंड in MBA if I get into this thing, if I get into something EV related projects or job or maybe anything which have EV in future, so that will be a perfect combination for me. And thankfully, like right now I am working with EV dataset. This is the interlinking between my BTech and MBA, and I'm really thankful that I'm working with this thing now.
Lovely, yaar, Shubham. So, एक बात बताओ. So, the clarity what Shubham was talking about, that while working for a startup and while working, he found a lot of clarity on what he wanted to do, and he had gained a lot of experience from that experience. Which जब वो MBA करेगा, he will have to dot to connect in his head that this thing I lack, because you already knew what you lacked in and you wanted to get clarity on that. So अभी आप एक फ्रेशर से डायरेक्ट आप MBA करते हो, so आपको ऐसा नहीं लगा कि I'll miss out on certain experiences if I don't work?
सी मतलब देयर विल बी नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स जो अभी यहाँ पे फ्रेशर्स होंगे और जो सोच रहे होंगे MBA का, उनके लिए मेरी एक एडवाइस है कि आप ना इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करो एक बार खुद को. यू शुड एक्चुअली थिंक कि वेयर डू यू वांट टू सी योरसेल्फ 5 years डाउन द लाइन. मतलब ओके, CA इज़ वन प्रोफेशन, MBA, after that MBA business analyst, financial analyst, there are multiple number of professions which you can get after an MBA. So at this point of time, maybe your results are out, I believe CAT and all those things, your results are out. You should actually introspect that where do you want to see yourself 5 years down the line. Like, you want to work with a big firm, you want to handle some big projects and all that thing. So MBA is the thing for that. MBA is something which you should do.
While selecting a B school, Shubham, क्या हमें देखना चाहिए, and how do you research, because we find a lot of information which might not be relevant for us, या फिर maybe हम गलत चीज़ों पे emphasize करके we take up a course or we go to university and then we realize maybe this is not for me.
So first of all, we should know where are we standing right now. For example, there are multiple B school, n number of B school in India, from tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. So अगर आपको पता है कि I'm getting this much score, or I have the capability to get better by giving an next attempt, so definitely should aim higher. I won't say कि don't go for an IIM ABC Blackie, आप बिल्कुल मत जाओ, ठीक है ना, but know yourself. अगर आप मतलब कि see, time होता है, ठीक है, time is very important. For example, if you're going for a mediocre B school, okay, a B school which is a good tier 2 B school, okay, or a tier 3 B school, and if you have a clarity, either I can go for an IIM Ahmedabad, okay, and be a mediocre over there and get a salary of like 20-25 LPA, okay, not every person in IIM get a salary of 35 LPA, or I can go to a mediocre B school also, okay, and can outperform over there and can be the star performer where I can get a salary, a package of around 40-45 LPA also. Tier 2 B school में भी बच्चों की numbers are very less, okay, but they do also get good amount of salary packages and good amount of प्लेसमेंट्स। तो अपने आप को पहले जान लो, ठीक है, वे आर यू स्टैंडिंग राइट नाउ, एंड देन यू नो यू कैन शॉर्ट लिस्ट द कॉलेज अकॉर्डिंगली। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ़ आई नो कि मेरे कैट में जो मेरा स्कोर है, ठीक है, वो नहीं आ रहा 95% से ऊपर, ठीक है, आई नो मेरा ब्लैक ही नहीं हो पाएगा, ठीक है, आई नो कि मेरे क्या कहते हैं, मैंने इस तरीके से अपने प्रोफाइल बिल्डिंग पे काम नहीं करा, सो आई कैन क्लियर दैट थिंग। सो इमीडिएटली टेक अ कॉल कि मेरे को नेक्स्ट अटेम्प्ट देना भी या नहीं देना, ठीक है ना, या फिर मेरे को आई हैव टू मेक द मोस्ट आउट ऑफ इट राइट नाउ। एंड इवन आई हैव टू मेक द मोस्ट आउट ऑफ इट कि अभी फिर कौन कौन से बी स्कूल्स मेरी कैटेगरी में आते हैं, वो क्या क्या मेरे को ऑफर कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, और उसमें हाउ आई कैन बी फिट इन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल कुछ बी स्कूल्स होते हैं जो बहुत अच्छे होते हैं मार्केटिंग के लिए, कुछ होते हैं हुआ नोन फॉर फाइनेंस, ठीक है, अगर आपको इतनी भी क्लैरिटी है तो और अच्छी बात हो गई, ठीक है, देन गो देयर एंड आउट परफॉर्म। तो फिर उसके बाद ना इतना फ़र्क नहीं रहता मार्केट में आने के बाद, ठीक है, इफ़ यू कैन आउट परफॉर्म। बट अगर आजकल मैं देख रहा हूँ देयर इज अ ट्रेंड की ना, आई एम सो सॉरी आई एम सेइंग दिस थिंग राइट नाउ ओवर हियर, डोंट कर्स मी फॉर दैट MBA इज बिकमिंग द नेक्स्ट बीटेक दीज डेज। कि आपको अपनी लाइफ में अपस्किल करना है, MBA कर लो, यू थिंक कि आपको एक हायर पैकेज मिल जाएगा, ठीक है, आपको अपना डोमेन चेंज करना है, आप कोडिंग करते थे, ठीक है ना, आपको पसंद नहीं आ रहा, यू नो वी वांट टू बिकम अ कंसल्टेंट, ओके, और डू सम अदर प्रोफेशन। जो मैंने ऐसे क्वेश्चन सुना भी था यहाँ पे कि आई एम फ्रॉम साइंस बैकग्राउंड, ठीक है, और मेरे को फाइनेंस करना था, ठीक है, तो इसीलिए तो MBA बनी है ना यार, ठीक है, कि आपको कुछ ना कुछ चेंज करना है अपनी लाइफ में, या तो आपको लेवल अप करना है, ठीक है, अदरवाइज यू हैव टू चेंज द रूट। तो वो सब चीज़ें की क्लैरिटी आपको मिलेगी। फर्स्ट यू नो योर सेल्फ, नो योर कॉलेज, ठीक है, किस कैटेगरी में आप जा रहे हो, ठीक है, एंड देन मेक द मोस्ट आउट ऑफ इट।
हिमांशु, आपकी जर्नी कैसी थी? ऑल्सो हाउ डिड यू बिल्ड योर प्रोफाइल सिंस आप एक फ्रेशर थे एंड फॉर यू टू गेट इनटू अ बी स्कूल आपने प्रोफाइल बिल्डिंग पे कुछ ध्यान दिया था? हाउ डिड यू गो अबाउट इट?
Okay. I gave CAT and met all those exams, and you know, for me at that point of time, it was like ki I have to get into a B school. I did my own research. I had a call. I am Rohtak. I believe I transformed that, but it was very far from me, and this BML Munjal University, it was a closer one for me. It was in my proximity, so I chose that this is something I'll go ahead with. And apart from that, at that point of time, I thought like, what is the missing in me? Like I talked with my father, and he told me that a technical background is not enough, because if you want to actually gain some good general manager position, or you want to see yourself in CXOs, CEOs, CMOs, CTOs, then you should have both knowledge, the knowledge of both the domain. I mean, managerial MBA background as well as technical background. So that is something which kind of motivated me, and I was like, okay, let's do it, and let's do it from this very university. Because I did my own research, I was like, this university, as Shubham said, I would dearly acknowledge that point, that if you want to go to a mediocre B school, and if you know you can outperform, then you should get into a college. Now, for each one of you, condition might be different. You might take a drop, you cannot take a drop. So that is up to you. If you can obviously afford a drop at that point of time, it was not possible for me to afford that another year dropping. So I was like, okay, this is something which I have to go ahead with, and right now I'm thankful.
Right, but Himanshu, since you were a fresher, and I'm using this fresher tag because I want to understand something, not because I want to put you at any spot. But so okay, being a fresher, when you are going to B school interviews, and आपने credibility कैसे लाया था अपने profile में?
So my interview during the time of admission, it was revolving much around what my projects were during my undergrad.
Let's understand, since you guys have finished your MBA and you are recent graduates, you are happy in your own jobs doing what you love. What does MBA teaches you compared to your undergrad education? Undergrad में जो आपने सीखा है, जो अभी MBA में सीखा है, what's the main difference that you can draw?
So I'll start answering this question. Let's see, 5 points: strategic thinking, cooperation, adaptability, and risk management, and analytical thinking. These 5 skills, I am not telling that I didn't have these before MBA, but now I have much better clarity on these 5 skills.
Yeah, these 5 skills are very similar to what even you were looking for, right? Because you told me that while you were having your startup experience, you were having difficulties in hiring people. You did not know where to put emphasis on. How do you maybe plan a resource, plan time management, plan budget allocation, compared to the risk and all and stuff like that. So what did you learn? So did you get what you wanted in an MBA classroom?
Yes, obviously. Like it was my short-term goal to become a brand manager, and I did my research also. Like in how many span of years I can become a brand manager after coming out of a B school. So as of now, there is only a Procter and Gamble who hires a brand manager straight out of B school. But uske alawa, you have to go for a proper stint like as a management trainee for 1 year, then 3 to 4 years as an area sales manager, and then only you can get a chance to become a like brand manager. So this is something okay which like clear cut the my B school gave to me.
I mean, experiential learning is something I want to know more about. But before that, जो आपने ATM का class बोला. So guys, we were in BML day before yesterday and yesterday as well. We were there for a shoot. वहाँ सुबह 8 बजे दो ठंडी होती है ना, and if you can attend classes with those colds, I mean, hats off to you guys. That's dedication in itself. But yeah, so speaking on experiential learning, और जो आपने skills बोला था 5 skills, how is this taught to you guys? मतलब काफ़ी सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि एनालिटिकल थिंकिंग सीखना होता है, मैनेजमेंट स्किल सीखना होता है, बट क्लासरूम में एग्जैक्टली आप ये कैसे सीखते हो? व्हाट आर द वेज दैट यू वर ट्रेन्ड एंड यू वर टॉट?
So I would like to answer that by telling you that in our own college, the way our course was structured, no, like I remember that course we had data visualization for managers. So there's a proper structure which they follows, like bar chart, scatter chart, and all that thing which you guys might be aware of, might not be aware of. So it's a process. They build, first of all, they'll instill a very small piece of information in your mind that how can you visualize this data using this chart. And after that, it gets complicated. It gets complicated. It gets complicated. So it's a process that they teach in B school. The cases they give to you, and they tell you that this is the data you need to analyze. Now, at that point of time, you have to actually think that what's the best chart to visualize this particular data. And it's very dynamic because they give you in a classroom like a proper 10 minutes to study the case, and once you're done study the case, in next 10 minutes you have to make a PPT, like proper PPT presenting the solution of that case. So in those 10 minutes, you have to actually think that what's the best way to probably present the answer for this case. So this is a structure which I'm telling, not just my B school, I believe every B school follows that, but I mean, that's how they make you analytical, capable, that adaptability, all those things, these skills are being taught. It's a 2-year process. At any point of time, they'll give you some cases, homeworks, all that thing. If you do that with full dedication, you'll see a change in yourself. You'll see a change in yourself.
Right. So assignment copy करके यहाँ pass नहीं हो सकते. You have to be in front
stand
of
out
the
from
class,
the
presenting your thoughts and ideas every day. And you develop on-feed thinking skills because आप इतना ज़्यादा exposed होते हो चीज़ों को.
Exactly.
Very interesting. And what about you?
So what I can analyze right now, okay, is Himanshu is giving you answers, okay, majorly from data point of view, from an analytical point of view. And I'll tell you about one of the very unique programs. So my knowledge is very much restricted to my B school. Okay, so I'm sorry for that. If any other B school taught this, and then it's a great thing. We have a Sahayak program. So when we say that, you want to become a leader or you want to become a problem solver, okay, critical thinker, on the toes. So हमारे यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि हमारे कॉलेज के पास जितने भी रूरल एरियाज होते हैं, ठीक है, they'll form a group of people, like 7 to 10 people होते हैं ग्रुप के अंदर, and they'll give you allocate one village to you. You go there, okay, and identify a problem, okay, whatever problem you can think of, then make an entire case. It's like, your own startup, okay, and then, the college will help you to pitch that case, okay. If it's, first of all, the teachers will evaluate that. It's not that you're not talking entirely random stuff. So if they think that it's practically possible, then teachers will also assist you. You will get funding as well, okay, and then you can genuinely talk to the local body. When I say local body, the panchayats, okay, the people, okay, who are in power or who can't really take the decision. And that's something, okay, where your classroom learning can be practically, you can execute that. So that's something, which really stands out for me.
All right, guys. So if you have any questions, we can please treat them as your seniors. जो भी पूछना है पूछो.
2 questions for Shubham, okay? So first being, as you're a brand manager right now, so generally these kind of roles come in premier B schools like IIMs and other good colleges. So what did you do to stand out basically in your college to get such roles? That is question number 1. The second question would be what advantage or what help did you get being a place commer? Like skills wise, what made you stand out in the batch? So like, would you suggest someone to join the placecom committee or what?
Um,
It's a very good question.
Okay, so I'll try to club that. Okay, for first I'll tell you okay how you can be a place commer and what all benefits you can get. Uh, First thing first is that you must have written certain amount of skills in your CV, leadership skills. Okay, I'm a critical thinker. I'm a problem solver. Do you really stand for that? For example, when I get into my B school, okay, I know that the amount of companies that will come for core marketing roles will be much lesser. It's not in my B school, but this is how industry functions. So I know this is a problem for me, okay. I know I want to go into a core marketing job, so I prepared myself. Just to give an insight, okay, I converted the company Beardo for my college also. So I know there's a problem, okay. I went there, I solved it, okay, and I bought the company. I know about my batch, okay, around if if there were 100 students okay who want to pursue for marketing, around 40-45% okay got the job role okay with co-marketing roles. This is number one, okay. So whatever you're writing, okay, if you feel empathetic, if you feel that there is a problem you can solve for it, okay, then obviously you have all the skill set to be a place commer. Second thing, okay, how I prepared myself to become a brand manager. See, it's just not about being a brand manager, okay? It's a very important aspect that you should know your consumer. I still remember my interview, okay? Uh, I know how to drive the interviews, okay? I told you first that thing, okay? You should know because you are throwing them with content, okay? And from your content only, they'll pick up a question and they'll ask you. So every time you're giving an answer, okay, the last thing should be where is your, which is your strongest point. So they'll pick up that thing. I remember in my interview, I was like, bhai nahi hoga mera ab. Okay, he's asking me questions, okay, and I'm just giving some random answers. I know, see, for being a brand manager, creativity, being a brand manager is an art, okay, it's like science and maths. So creativity and data, okay, play hand in hand. And creativity is my, my bigger forte. So at that very moment, okay, I told him that, we can do such kind of campaigns. And he was like, नहीं हमारे लिए नहीं चलेगा campaign, ये Beardo के लिए campaign work नहीं करेंगे. Then मुझे लगा अब तो नहीं होने वाला, मैं पूरा कूद गया, मैंने उनको एक on the spot poem बना के सुना दी. ठीक है ना. बट आफ्टर माई इंटरव्यू ओके बिकॉज आई रिपोर्ट डायरेक्टली टू CMO, ठीक है. तो मैंने उनसे पूछा कि व्हाट्स दे ओके जो आपको लगा और व्हाट वाज योर माइंडसेट आल्सो टू हायर मी, बिकॉज पूरे बैच से आपने सिर्फ 2 बच्चे गए थे क्या कहते हैं फाइनल इंटरव्यूज़ के लिए आफ्टर ऑल द प्रोसेस एंड यू हायर्ड मी ओनली. सो दे टोल्ड मी कि 70% ऑफ द जॉब इज डन व्हेन यू सबमिट योर I'll say your case or the assignment that's given to you. Because उसमें क्या होता है ना, आपको एक इंडिविजुअलिटी, आपको एक स्टैंड आउट करना होता है. लोग क्या करते हैं, आपको आंसर कोई भी आपको टास्क मिला, यू विल टेक द टास्क कि हाँ एक नॉर्मल काम मिला है ना. आई विल गो एंड सर्च ऑन यूट्यूब और ऑन गूगल. मेरे को भी करना था, 4 पीस करने थे, ठीक है, 4-5 चीज़ें और करनी थी मेरे को Beardo के टास्क में, और वो सब कुछ चीज़ें अवेलेबल थी, रेडीमेड PPT अवेलेबल थी. सब लोगों ने, मैंने ऑलमोस्ट ज़्यादातर लोगों ने वो चीज़ उठाया, ठीक है ना, वहाँ से कॉपी पेस्ट किया. तो वो वहीं पे उनका क्या कहते हैं, उनका मूड खराब हो गया कि यार ये तो एक रैंडम स्टफ मेरे को थ्रो कर रहे हैं. तो वहाँ पे एक मैंने डिफरेंस क्रिएट किया, ठीक है ना. देन आई नो माई स्ट्रेंथ्स कि मेरे को कहाँ प्ले करना है. जब मुझे लगा कि मेरा इंटरव्यू थोड़ा हिल रहा है, इधर हिल रहा है, ठीक है, तो मैंने तुरंत अपना वो स्ट्रेंथ बटन को ऑन कर लिया.
So a lot of my peers and also people from B schools have suggested that choose your B school wisely because that will be a tag along with you all your life. And you mentioned that you had a call from IIM Rohtak too, but you didn't choose that because it was far. So is it a good option leaving the IIM tag for something else? Because me being a fresher, I didn't do well in my CAT this year. Is it okay to wait one more year or should I settle for a mediocre?
So exactly, one thing I would like to tell you guys that at that point of time, one thing in my mind was that I need to stay in Gurgaon. See, first thing is that, and other thing I researched my own because I called in BML Munjal University. I talked with some of the peers who already did their MBA program, and I told them this is something which I am looking out for, and they told me that these are the opportunities which you can get here in BML and Munjal University once you step inside that university. So I was like, okay, all I have to do is now capitalize on what I have and upskill myself during the during the MBA program. And I thought it's a wise call made by me. I'm pretty happy in my life right now. So IIM tags and all, it matters once you step into an industry. I believe that can be a thing. 5 years, 10 years down the line, no significance. It's all your work. Everything your work will talk. That's it.
Initially, the doors will open, okay, way easily for you if you have the tag, okay. But yeah, after that ना, after a couple of years, उनको काम करवाना है, आपको काम करना है. So that's it, okay. उसके बाद फिर IIM tags वगैरह मैटर इतना नहीं करता है. हाँ, initially मैटर करता है, but हाँ, so you should do your research well, okay. For example, when I selected BML Manjari University, I know it's been powered by Hero Group, and Hero Group being a leader in the industry, okay, they have all the networks, okay, they can give me all the exposure. तो वो यहाँ पे सीखने नहीं आए हैं कि हमने कॉलेज खोला है, ठीक है, अभी हम सीखेंगे कि बच्चों को कैसे पढ़ाना है, फिर उससे लर्निंग ले लेके फिर हम आगे इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे. दे हैव ऑल द कनेक्शन, इसलिए यहाँ पे ना इंडस्ट्रियल लर्निंग बहुत होती है इन माई कॉलेज. तो वो एक रिसर्च मैंने करी थी, आई गॉट द इनसाइट एंड देन आई सेलेक्टेड दिस बी स्कूल.
Connect with peers, whatever college you are looking for, connect with peers.
Okay, let's have a huge round of applause for both of our seniors, and thank you so much.